Hong Kong is a very busy place. In the morning, people are rushing towards work, and towards the evening, they're looking for a place to sit down, chill, relax, and unwind. And there are plenty of places to unwind in Hong Kong after dark. With labels like Gourmet Paradise and World's Fair of Food, modern Hong Kong also has third densest population per square meter. With a huge service class population that loves to eat out, no wonder the streets do not look any less than a carnival after dark. Street food is easy, quick and pocket friendly. But the variety of street food this country offers makes it the first choice of anyone living or visiting Hong Kong. The list of street food here is just endless. But the hot favorites are fishball, sumai, egg waffles, stinky tofu, fried squid, noodles and dim sums and much more. The streets of Hong Kong are filled with small little stalls of food, whether it's starters, meats or desserts or even breads, and each one of them is special, and at any point of time there are people all around it. Thank you so much. Thank you. This looks great. So what I'm eating is simply called egg, and this is a chocolate flavored egg, and when I say egg, it's basically a pancake batter, and inside is a green tea flavored ice cream. Hot pancake batter made into this waffle with some frozen ice cream. It's a lovely combination. Hong Kong loves fish balls, and these are essentially made out of fish mince. In fact, fish is pounded along with spices, made into small balls, boiled and then simmered in a curry, and you serve it onto a stick and you eat it on the go, just like that. Sweet and spicy, curry flavor. Talking about the densest population, the average size of a normal apartment kitchen is a bit too small. People usually prefer to dine out. And when it comes to dining out with family, Hong Kong has some amazing restaurants. So it will not be wrong to say that if the roads look like one big carnival, the restaurants too look like small little food fair after dark. It's beautiful, it's stunning. I'm on the 20th floor at the Chi Nine Dragon restaurant, and this terrace is just amazing. I mean, look around. This is the entire Hong Kong island, and this side is the Kowloon Island. I love the way the entire sky is lit. This is the laser show that's happening. It's beautiful. You know, after dark in Hong Kong can be so much fun. All you need to do is come at the right place, watch the light show, watch the skyline, order yourself a drink that you really deserve, and enjoy. So what cuisine is Chi Nine Dragon?
We are the Sichuan cuisine.
Oh, the Szechuan cuisine. So back in India, the Szechuan cuisine is very, very popular.
For the appetizer, you just try. It's a bang bang chicken.
I like the take of the chili and peanut together with the poached chicken, because it's poached so nicely, it just melts in your mouth.
Thank you. And the wonton is contains the mushroom, the vegetables, and some carrot. And the sauce is our homemade sauce. It's a chili sauce. It's cooked with the dry chili, fresh chili, and oil.
I enjoyed the salad. I like the chili wonton. It's just that it's a little too much spicy for me, but I'm enjoying it.
Here's one of the most popular traditional Sichuan food. We call it the fish fillet in the chili oil.
I must say I'm a little scared right now because all I see is a lot of chili. Like this big bowl has a lot of fish, good for about at least 3 people, but chili at least for 30 people. You know, there is a lot of chili in there, but I get that smell, that whiff of chili, but I don't get that spiciness of chili in there.
Yeah, because there's poached fish. We put it the last minute. We cook the chili and water only.
Oh, I can eat that. G9 Dragons is this amazing rooftop restaurant that overlooks the skyline of Hong Kong. It's young, it's vibrant, it's buzzing. There is good food and good people all around. This is one restaurant where you would want to visit after dark and catch up with some friends over good food and some amazing drinks. After a long tiring day, what you need to calm yourself down is a shot of vitamin C. Yes, you heard me right. It's vitamin SEAC. Situated between Hong Kong and Kowloon Islands, Victoria Harbour at night looks like a painting of a star-studded sky, just over the South China Sea. Walking towards my cruise, Aqua Luna, at this hour makes me miss someone special in my life. So, if you have that someone special with you, this cruise is a must-do. Sailing on an open sea is fascinating. Aqua Luna is the best way to explore the seaside of Hong Kong. What you experience is a beautiful night breeze, calmness about the sea, and the stunning view of Hong Kong skyline.
This is the best part about Hong Kong, doing the Aqua Luna, which is basically riding onto a boat. What it gives you is a lot of peace, a lot of relaxation. It's a lovely boat, dim lights, good music. Look at the backdrop. Stunning. There's water. What you see is Kowloon and Hong Kong Islands and those beautiful lights and the Hong Kong skyline. Somehow it takes away all your tiredness of the day and just gives you this refreshed energy. After dark, this is a must-do.